Assalamu alaikum lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. As Eid is just around the corner, I thought I'll do a couple of eye looks for you guys, so give you some option. So you can see my face is already done, and I've already done my brows as well, and my eyes are prepped. I'm just blending my concealer that was applied before starting this video. Do give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So for this first look, I'm using this Makiyage's palette. It has a ton of different colors. You can absolutely use whatever you have on hand and whatever you love. It's really up to you. And then for this look, I'm using very small brushes, as you can see here. First off, I'm using this very tiny pencil brush and the tea pink color at the top. You can absolutely use any color you want. This look that I'm doing is an inverted cut crease. You can also call it upside down cut crease. So you can see here I am just mapping out my crease slowly with the brush, and I have not got a lot of color, a lot of powder on it, just barely enough so I can roughly map it first, and then I will build up the color. So once I have a good line, I will now intensify it by adding the colors slowly by slowly. Don't add a lot of color at once because it will be hard to take it away. I'm just adding bit by bit so that I don't mess up the line and it's still hard and crisp on the top. Now using a smaller pencil blending brush and a clean brush, I am just going to blend the color downwards. I'm really careful not to blend any color upwards because I want my top of the color to be very crisp and the line to be very sharp. Next, I am using this slightly fluffy brush and applying this pale pink. Now we are going to add this color on the lid now, because it's an upside down cut crease, so I'm making the gradient color effect on the bottom of the crease, not on the top. So on the mobile lid, I'm adding this gradient shade. I'm again adding this shade slowly and packing on the color for the gradient effect. Now for the main lid, I'm using this shimmery pink. It's also a pale pink color but with a shimmer, and using a flat shader brush I'm applying this and packing it on my mobile lid. Although soon I realized that I have applied a little too much and the color is a little darker than what I wanted, as you can see. So I decided to add this silver color so that the lid will be more brighter and more light reflecting. As you can see here, it's much brighter now. And so we make mistakes all the time, but you just step back and see what works best for you. I'm now again intensifying the crease color. I thought it was blended out a little, so just intensifying it again. To add shimmer to the brow bone and inner corner, I'm using this Becca's Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. It's a gorgeous highlighter. It's what I've used on my face as well today. For my eyeliner, I'm using this one from NYX today, and using a small pencil brush that's bent at the top. It makes it much easier to apply the liner. By the way, this one from NYX is actually an eyeshadow base. I once used it as liner and it worked very nicely for me. So I wonder why they labeled it as an eyeshadow base. I've never used it as a base before, but it works great as a liner. As you can see, it's gliding smoothly across my skin. It was very easy to apply. But for some reason I didn't like a sharp liner with this look, so I decided to smudge it. I'm using a very thin pencil brush to smudge the liner, and I am really taking my time here, slowly smudging it because it was a gel liner. I didn't want to make a mess and make a panda eye, so I'm just taking it very slowly, as you can see. For my lashes, I chose these from Morphe today because I didn't want a very heavy look. as it's Eid and we will be mostly busy cooking in the kitchen, so I wanted a very lightweight lashes that I can wear for the whole day without being tired. Now I'm just going to blend the first shade in the crease on my lower lash line, and this will complete our look. So you can see it's a very easy doable look. You can choose any color instead of pink, and do try it out and let me know if you like it. On to the second look of the day. I have already prepped my eye again and we will begin now. I'm starting off with this Morphe palette and using the medium brown shade here. I'm using a pencil precision brush by Makeup Geek. I'm applying this color, tapping it on my outer corner first. When all the color is tapped on, I will slightly blend it into my crease. You see, I'm taking my time and really putting all the color on the outer corner, and I'm doing the same in the inner corner as well, tapping the brush so that all the color payoff is in the inner and outer corners, and when there's nothing much on the brush, I am blending it into my crease so that the crease will have the lighter tone and the more intense color will be in the corners. Slightly blending the crease color as well. Next, I'm using this Huda Beauty's Obsession palette in warm brown, and I'm using this light rust color here with a big fluffy brush. I am going to apply this on my crease so that I can blend out the brown. That's why I'm using a big fluffy brush. When you want the color payoff to be very light, use a fluffy brush. If you want intense color, use a thick bristled brush. Blend this color nicely into the crease, again taking very little color and blending it well before you reapply the same color. So take your time blending. Once that's done, I am going to blend this same color with the same brush in my lower lash line, and I'm connecting it with my outer corner. Again, taking time in blending. Now taking my concealer, this is by Bobbi Brown, and an angled brush, I am going to clean the middle of the lid, not exactly a cut crease, but just cleaning some space so that I can apply my shimmer. You can apply absolutely any contrast color, green, yellow, gold, blue, anything will work here. So I'm just trying to clean some space. You can see here I intensified the corners a little bit so that it looks very nice. So for the center of the lid, I'm using this very sparkly copper duochrome shade from Makeup Geek. This is Flamethrower, and using a flat brush, I am going to apply that copper color here, and I'm also again going to apply it slowly and pack on the color. I remained in the rusty tone with the copper shade. You can absolutely use any contrast color. As I said before, any contrast color of your choice would look absolutely amazing. For my eyeliner, I again used the NYX's eyeliner and the same angled brush, and this makes it very easy for me to apply as I keep turning my face right and left, but it was quite easy to apply. For my brow highlight and inner corner, I'm using again the same highlighter, Becca's Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. That completed the look, but I wanted to add some bling. You know, I can't live without glitter. So I chose this one. This is the metallic Heavy Metals glitter by Urban Decay. And I just I'm applying it just in my crease area, just to make things different. I'm just intensifying the crease color here again, and that's it. Need to add some lashes and the look is finished. There you go. So this is it for this video, guys. 2 different eye looks using different techniques. I hope you like it, and and recreate any of these looks. Do give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and have a very happy Eid with your family and loved ones. Until next time, bye bye.